Hi guys, it's Tracy and I'm back today with the October Boxycharm, and we're gonna unbox this bad boy and see if it's worth the money or if it's even half as good as last month. So if you're new to my channel, I hope you like the video. If you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you're returning, welcome back. November 1st, it'll be $25 a month, and they're launching a new box that's premium, which is $35 a month. So they haven't opened the waiting list for the premium box yet, which I really want to get. But the thing is that you still have to get the base box if you want to continue to get the Luxe box every 3 months. And if you get premium, you can't add the Luxe box to the premium. So basically, if you still want to get Luxe, you still have to pay for the base box each month, and you have to pay for the premium box each month. But if you're signed up with both of the boxes on the same account, they say there's not going to be duplicates of items. And the first spoiler for the premium box for next month is the Natasha Denona Bloom and Glow palette. It's it's a face palette, and that's $55. So for a $35 box, I really want to get in on that one. So we will see, but for now, I do have a referral code. I get 500 charms, which is the equivalent of $5 to spend in their charm room. It's where you can buy items that have been in previous boxes for full retail price, but you can use charms, so it doesn't really cost you. And then I believe you get a free item, but they change it all the time, so I'm not sure. But let's get into the video. See what we got here. I just cracked the seal. I don't know. I do know what some of the items are. There were a choice of out of 7 Dose of Colors eyeshadow palettes. I get the one that I already have. Out of 7, I got the one I already have because they sent me a spoiler and told me that I was getting that one. And I'm like, out of the 7 palettes, I had to get the one I already have. So I do know that that's in here. Now this right here is from Laurent. I don't even know this brand or where you buy it. That's what it looks like. And let's see. This is the card. Doesn't look like our normal card though, because it doesn't have like a theme. Looks like they're saying the theme is After Dark. And then they're advertising the bigger, better Boxycharm, which is the premium. So this highlighter, let's see, Steve Laurent Jelly Highlighter. This jelly formula is bouncy, lightweight, blendable, water resistant, and so fun to use. Watch it glide on with ease using your favorite brush, or simply dab it on your finger for an effortless glow. So this is $26. I don't see anything jelly about it though. It's a pretty color. It's a nice color. So it'd be interesting to try that out. And then, as Angelica Nyquist would say, who asked for this? No, this is just, to me, this is just a waste of an item. These are always crap. They're never, these are just, at least they're only saying the retail value on it is $5 because it's not even worth that. They're always like the hard pencil liners, and you have to, you can see how hard I'm pressing to get that on there. These never end up working for me. This is called Dark Natural. So we'll give it a try. We'll see if it works. Then I got the Touch and Soul Pretty Filter, is that what this is called? Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. It says it's an ultra hydrating, priming skin balm with a sensationally smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. And this is $32. That's what it looks like in the box. Looks like a cream. quite sure what this is supposed to do. Feels really smooth and like silky. It just kind of feels like a moisturizer, so I don't know if that's how it's intended to be. Has a light, very light scent to it, not anything overpowering. So 32 bucks for that. And then we have this lip gloss, which is by Iconic London, and this is a lip plumping gloss. This is $26. Wow, it's expensive. It smells like gum. It really just almost looks clear. There's not really anything showing up much. So that is $26. And then we have the Dose of Colors Marvelous Mauves palette. And these are the shades on the back. I'm not going to open it because I'm going to give it to my daughter as a gift. So that was all that was in this box. This was kind of a letdown after last month's awesome box. But the Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette is $32. The Touch and Soul product is $32. So we're at $64. The lip gloss is $26. $64, $74, $84, $90 plus $26 for the highlight. $90, $100, $106, $111. $111 it looks like. So for the value of the box, not bad. I just wish I had gotten a different color of the eyeshadow palette because this is the one that I have. And I'm like, did they actually listen when I said I liked purples and plums? This is the one time that they listened and actually said, oh, she likes purple and plum. Let's give her the Marvelous Mauve. So I wish I had gotten another one. I actually was able to buy one. They had a pop-up and I was able to buy the... was it Sassy Siennas, I think, for $12. So I bought that one, so I have that one coming. And all the other stuff, you guys know, I'll give it a try, use it all month long. I will let you know next month what I think, how I feel, if it's worth the money or if it's not worth the money. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure to click the subscribe button so that you can be notified when I do a review of the box or when the next box comes. And if you're new to my channel, thanks for stopping by. So on my eyes today, I have the Revolution, and this is called the Chilled palette with Cannabis Sativa, and it's almost a dupe for the Milk Smoke Sessions palette. Reminded me a lot of that. I'm sure that's what the vibe they were going for. So that's what I have on my eyes today. I really like the way it turned out. I thought it turned out really nice. And then on my lips, I have this Laritzy gloss, and it's in the shade Vibe. I got this out of an Allure box. So that's going to do it for this month's unboxing. I hope you did enjoy it. If you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I would love it for you to subscribe. And I want to thank you guys. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And I think that's going to do it. So I hope you guys are all having a beautiful day or night wherever you are. And I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.